There is a beautiful video on YouTube where Professor Bernard Carr and Sadhguru are talking about universe. And Professor Carr, his view is that there are some cyclic times of the universe. And also Sadhguru has the same idea of this cyclic epoch of the universe. I think this also in Vedic tradition. But I would like to point out that that universal space is time invariant. Universe, as we observe it, runs in a time invariant space. There is no past in the universe, there is no future in the universe, and there was never past in the universe. The idea of some physical past has no scientific evidence. We are experiencing universe in time because we experience motion in time invariant space through linear time that is in the brain. There is no linear time in the universe. So also Sadhguru says that somehow in the spiritual evolution we have to go beyond physical time, this external time. No, we cannot go beyond external time because external time has no physical existence. We can only go beyond inner psychological time. And as Sadhguru told us many times, we have to go also beyond the mind. This is very important to understand, that the only universe that exists is the universe we can observe. And we can observe only the universe which is now. Now is the only physical reality that exists. And this now is eternity itself. Universe is running into eternity that is now. So all these ideas about aeons of what happened in past and what happened in the future, this is just here in the mind. I know this is a big jump for the physicist, for the cosmologist, and also this is a big jump for the spiritual people. But this is where spirituality and physics will meet. The meeting of physics and spirituality is in understanding that universal space is time invariant. So I published an article about this a few years ago, and this article is somehow the background, the basis for the cosmology, in which a cosmology model where universe is non-created. Black holes are rejuvenating systems of the universe. Idea that that the universe has started with the Big Bang, actually it's childish. This is not scientific idea. This is religious dogma that we are teaching at universities for more than 100 years. I don't want to spend my time on this nonsense anymore. So the only physical reality that exists is now. Universe is transforming into now. Material change run into time invariant space. The idea of physics that for the motion time is needed is false. For the motion only space is needed. And time is duration of motion when we measure it with clocks. Otherwise, there is only motion, there is no duration. And this idea of existence of cosmological time and arrow of time, this is only in the human mind, in the scientific mind. There is absolutely no cosmological time. Cosmological time is an empty term. Arrow of time does not exist. And this is the case. This is clear to Julian Barbour, that physical time does not exist. This is clear to Carlo Rovelli. This is clear to my dear friend, Italian physicist David Fiscaletti. This is also clear to me, but the rest of scientific community is still dreaming about the existence of some physical time. Professor Penrose included with his idea of CCC cosmology, which is also a religious dogma, it's not science. So we have to wake up in physics. If we want to make a progress, we have to really wake up. We have to wake up out of the psychological mind, and we have to wake up. We have to wake up, out of psychological time, and we have to wake up out of our mind, because we cannot solve the problems we have today in physics, in cosmology, in the frame of existent paradigm. We have to step out. And the step out is in this understanding that nothing ever happened in time. Eternity is now, guys. So I wish good day, everybody, and especially to Sathguru, that once I visited in London, and he is really a beautiful being.